I'm at Garland Nursery today with Brenda and Brenda. Recently, Ryan was talking to Erica about the tried and true houseplants, about for like Houseplant 101.
Yes.
Well, we're going to take it to that next level for collectors.
Yes, exactly. We have some new and unusual, rare type of houseplants here that the first
Just a little challenging, maybe?
Yep, they are a little challenging. You need to be able to pay them more attention and really get to know what they want because they're a little fussier.
Yeah, and I think just doing a little bit of research, I think we all love to do that.
Yes.
That's that geek in us.
Yes, exactly.
So what you have there, that's a cool one.
So this is angel grass, Merdania, and this one is so new that our longtime houseplant buyer who was retiring had not even heard of it.
Oh.
We both thought that it looked kind of like a Dracaena, but it's not. It's related to spiderwort, the Tradescantia.
Oh, cool.
So, and it likes bright indirect light and even moisture.
Beautiful.
So really interesting silver sheen to it.
Nice. And what's this one?
This one is alocasia, related to the elephant ears, and it is probably the most challenging of the group here. It does not want to be over or underwatered, but it is very trendy, very cool plant. So be the first on the block to get this guy.
Look at that foliage, really cool. I really love this whole selection. What's next?
So the Hoyas have been around forever. Yeah. They are definitely not new, but you know what? We weren't able to get them for the longest time. Nobody was growing them, and everybody started asking for them, and thankfully now we have a good supply. This one is, though, a newer variety with that lovely modeling, and it's obviously a trailer or a vine. I've seen them growing up and along the roof line of a house indoors.
That would be cool.
They like pretty bright indirect light, and they want to go dry in between waterings.
Okay.
And you do, with this one, you do have to watch out for scale mealybugs and spider mites. So a little scouting to make sure that they look healthy is great.
Just pay attention. That's all you have to do. And this one, look how nice and shiny.
This one is called Dragontail, and these are the immature leaves. It is also a climber, so it needs support, and it's going to split. The mature leaves get splits all along, almost like fish scale, fish scale kind of, or fishtail.
Fishtails.
Fishtails, yes. So really cool. You should Google that one to see what it looks like with the mature leaves. Unfortunately, ours are all little and don't have that splitting yet.
But something to look forward to. I mean, it's kind of cool that they're ever changing.
Yes.
I mean, I think that's kind of cool as a collector or a newbie to plants.
Yes.
Very neat. And look at the variegation on that.
Yes, isn't that stunning? And this is a ficus, a fig for indoors, the Ficus triangularis, variegated. And I am not super familiar with this one, but bright indirect light and not overwatering or underwatering. Yeah, and you maybe know a little more about it.
I think ficus are all kind of finicky. So you really have to just make sure that you don't let it go dry, but you don't want to keep it soaking wet. But look at this foliage. I mean, there is a green one that you have here too, but this one is stunning with the variegation. So you just have to just pay attention to it more so it's not drying out. And then speaking of variegation.
Yes, look at this stunning pink princess philodendron. I love pink, obviously.
Look at you, yep.
And I have several pink plants at home. I don't have this one yet, but I think that it will have to be on my list. This is an unusual one that has been really hard to come by, and it's a little on the pricey side. I will say that. Hopefully, as more people grow it, that'll change. But this is a must-have, and one of the popular on the internet kind of things. People are really seeking this one out. So pink princess philodendron.
And coming here to a shop instead of getting it on the internet, I think it's really kind of great because you're getting a plant with good roots. And look at all these nice leaves, because sometimes on the internet you just don't know.
You don't know what you're going to get.
So really to come and see it in person and really to come to the Garland Nursery down here and really see the collection, because there's something for every level of expertise.
Yes, and we do have people that can give you advice on the houseplants. TG is our new houseplant buyer, and she knows a lot, and Shar is still with us for a little while yet, fewer days, but she's also our houseplant expert. And so yes, come see us and we'll help you with some of these new trendy but a little more challenging houseplants.
Excellent. We all love a challenge. That's wonderful. Thanks so much for having us.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.